going to make a little video here. I hope this is going to work. In case you're having any trouble at all downloading the free recipe for junk journal cards, this is what my Ko-fi channel looks like. And then you're going to click on Shop, and then scroll down until you find, well, here's page 1. See, it says it's free. Click on it. It says Get Now. Click. And then you can check out. And then there it is. It says View Content. Click on it. Download. And then open it. And it opened in my browser. It's also, it can also be saved to a folder on your channel. If it's not big enough for you to see, you can grow it. So that's how you can get the recipe cards for free. I hope that's helpful, and you'll go over and download all of the recipe cards, stick them in a folder in on your desktop. You don't need to print them, but if you want to, you can. So I'm looking at the screen instead of at the phone, so I don't even know if I'm showing you the screen. I hope that's helpful. All right, back to crafting.